Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, like you know, because you read the title, we're gonna be transforming my whole vanity room slash closet. It took us 2 days. Actually, in total, like it took us more than a week because we had to wait for some things to arrive. But it was a very nice experience. I love redecorating my things, and I kind of always do it, to be honest, because I always get tired of living in the same place. But this time it actually impressed me because it changed a lot. I'm gonna show you the before and the whole process. I really hope you enjoy it, guys. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you have any extra ideas that I could put here or anything like that. I would love talking to you guys about it. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is the before. Of course, it's a mess. It's not usually like this, but we started moving things around and I remember to record it for you guys. So this is where we're starting from. On Home Depot, and I bought this kind of grid that I think it's gonna be super cute on Amazon. It was super cheap. I'll leave the price here for you guys, and I'm gonna paint it with this. I also decided to paint this old table that I had. Look, it's literally destroyed, so I decided to paint it. And I bought this mirror on Amazon as well. It was super cheap because the one that I had before was, I don't know, it had too much information. So I decided to buy this, and I'm gonna paint the borders with the spray paint as well. So let's see how it goes. Okay guys, so I don't think you can see, but it's a mess out here because I had to take everything out of the way. Now I bought this blue tape, and I'm gonna wrap everything up to be able to paint it without getting like the mirror dirty. So I'm gonna wrap the mirror part and then just leave this out so I can paint it. I don't know if there's too much noise in here because I'm on the outside, and but I hope you can hear me and see me. Let's go. love how fast this was. Okay, so now we'll move on to the grids. Hey guys, so I got excited with the paint and I decided to paint all of these little things and give it all like the same color. I really like the way it turned out. I'm still waiting for some things to dry, and but I think they all look pretty cute, and they were all so ugly before and now they look like a completely different thing. So I just have to take all of the protection away and see how it all turned out, but I'm still waiting for some things to dry and then I'll come back to show you guys. Okay, so the mirror fell down with the contact strips. So we decided to use this big book kind of holder to hold the mirror here, and I think it looks good. And now we're just gonna decorate this all, and I'll come back to show you guys. But I'm really disappointed at it, but it's okay. I really like. Thank God the things are the same color. So we'll see how it ends up being.
I begin to
You're mine for sure.
This is it for this video. Like I said, I changed it completely using mostly things that I already had. I just bought some cheap things and then painted it with the spray paint, and I think it made a huge difference, to be honest. So just get things around your house if you want to do this and just paint them. You'll probably be able to use a bunch of things that you didn't use before. I really love the results and I'm super happy. Since now I spend most of my time here, especially during quarantine, I love being happy in the place that I live. So I love waking up and looking at this. It really makes me happy, and really hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you still haven't, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll probably be doing some of these videos again at some point, I don't know, but I always get tired of things, like I said, and I love doing this. So let me know if you like it and I'll record it for you guys. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you all in the next video. Bye.